Use the following PDF to find the expected value of x. Okay, so we've got all our possible values for x over here. But over on the right-hand side, we're missing a little bit. We got a 3q and a q here. So, in order to find the expected value, we need a complete PDF. We need to know all the information about x. So we're going to first have to find q. That's okay. Just copy our PDF so we don't have to keep going back and forth. I know it ended with a 9. I know there were q's and I think a 3q, or was it a 4q? Just double check. -8, -1, 2, 3, 9. And our probabilities, 0.2, 3q, 0.3q, 0.1. 0.2, 3q, 0.3q, 0.1. Just quickly double check. Great, now we can move on. All right. Now, one thing we know about PDFs is the sum of the values, sum of the probability values, must always be 1. This gives me an equation that I can solve for q for. So 3 q's plus 1 q is 4 q's. 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.1 is 0.6. Okay, subtract 0.6 on both sides. 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. Divide by 0.4, and you get q is 0.1. So we can come back here and reevaluate these. Okay, q is 0.1 now, and 3q is 3 times 0.1, or 0.3. Okay, let's just give ourselves a little bit more space. I'll rewrite the equation here. That was 3q, wasn't it? We're going to give ourselves a little bit more space because to find the expected value, we're going to add in another column. And this column just gives us the product of little x, a possible value of our capital X random variable, times the probability that capital X actually is that value. So 0.8 times 0.2, negative 1.6. Negative 1 times 0.3, negative 0.3, 0.6, 0.3, and 0.9. And the expected value of x is just the sum of these. Okay, 0.6, 0.3, and 0.9 is 1.8. Negative 1.6 and a negative 0.3 is negative 1.9. And so the expected value of x is negative 0.1.